back to you with another video. I'm going to be doing this sketch here from Laura Whitaker. It's my final product there. So all the papers that I'm going to be using today are from Illustrated Faith, the Christmas collection. I also use their designer clips. The black paper there, the black dotted, is cut to 2.5 by 10.5. And the red dotted is cut 4 by 10. So you see I am using my pencil to mark where my papers are going to be because I'm going to do some mixed media. And I just want to make sure that, just to help with where I want to place my mixed media. For the mixed media, I'm using my gelatos. I am using the color green tea and Mars. So I am putting my gelato on some packaging, spritzing some water, and then I'm going to use my brush to just kind of make it more watery and mix it together. And I'm putting it down where I know my embellishments and photos are not going to be. So I'm drawing there, and I am now using the Mars, doing the same thing, put my gelato on some packaging with spritz some water, and then this time I'm just going to use dots. And then it was kind of, to me it was kind of mixing in with the dots. So I dried it a little bit, and then I got a paper towel and just kind of dabbed it so it could dry a little bit faster. Next, I'm using a stencil, and I'm going to be using the circles on the stencil. Now, this first time I used white because I thought it might pop with the green, but what ends up happening is it just blends into the background. So you'll see that you can't even see it, just blends in. So I decided to go ahead and wipe it off before it dried. You can't tell at all. So instead I mixed in off camera some black acrylic paint into that textured paste, and then I'm going to do those circles again. So here, so you can see, we all make mistakes. Thank goodness this was one that could be easily fixed. I got the textured paste before it dried, and it's a good thing that the background is white, so it didn't. You can't even see the that I even tried white on there. I kept putting more acrylic black because it was looking like a gray. So you got to watch that with just make sure you put enough on there. So again, I'm using my stencil, and I'm using the circles. And I put one there, and it came out really cute. And again, I put it on the bottom where I'm going to have an opening once my photos and paper are down. And I think the black was a good choice because it really goes well with the black dots. So I'm cleaning my area, and then I'm going to get my blow dryer, and I am just making sure the texture paste is dry before I start putting things on top of it. And you'll see that your paper starts to buckle a little. That's fine. Once it's in your page protector, it'll be flat. So next I am going to put the pendants on the bottom. And so I do that by folding the paper so I get so it can look like the same on both the top and the bottom. So I put that down, and again, that black and white paper is cut 2.5 by 10.5, and then the red dotted paper there is cut 4 inches by 10. And to save time, I already inked the sides of the paper. So now I'm going to put my photos down, and I'm going to tuck in one into the other. Um, and this Christmas was a miracle, or it was something I'm really happy about. My nephew, this was the first year that we thought we weren't going to have the whole family together because my nephew moved away to Washington for college, and he just happened to come down after all, and so we were very happy that he was there. And now I'm playing with the embellishments. I put a paper clip down. Now those strips there, I cut 2 strips out, one in the green, and it's 1 inch, and I just kind of eyeballing how much to cut off. But it started off as a 1 inch strip of paper, and it's just to add some color here and there. Again, that gray plaid one was also a 1 inch, and I just cut some off to add some more layering on the sides. Then I take 2 cards, also cut from the paper, from the paper pack, and I'm noticing that it's a little too wide, so I cut off part of it so I can tuck it in there. Again, all this paper is from Illustrated Faith, the Christmas collection. That I am just playing with the embellishments, switching up, things. I just, I love the layering. I think it's a nice look. And then I'm putting a little tag there. And that's pretty much it. It was already had a lot on there. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe.